Hello everyone. Today we are doing biosketch of Nirmal Verma. Nirmal Verma was born in 1929. A love for literature and the arts ran in the family. His elder brother Ram Kumar, the well-known painter, woke in him a love for painting. This has led to the strong pictorial quality noticeable in his writing. His paternal grandfather actively encouraged him to read. He gave him 4 annas for each page he read of the monthly periodical of those days, Kalyani. Often enthralled by the first page, he would go on to the second and third pages, reading more than the required 4 annas worth. His elder sister was the other family member who spurred him further into the literary life by talking to him about books and writers. She was a top student in her studies. The books she won in school as prizes and awards were always read by Nirmal before anyone else. She also subscribed to magazines of repute such as Veena, Saraswati, and Madhuri, thereby grounding him more into the literary life. Nirmal Verma came to fiction via poetry, a route common for many fiction writers. His earliest writings were poetry in English. He would fill two whole books with verse. He would recall with amusement. He was sure from the beginning that his poetry was for his own satisfaction, no more. His first stories were written for the magazine that was being brought out by his college, St. Stephen's College, Delhi. But the editor of the magazine died, and then a few years later, the magazine closed down. His first successful professional debut was in Kahani of Allahabad, edited by Bhairav Prasad Gupta. A second story appeared in Kalpana in 1954 and 55. In 1959, by which time he was an established writer, he went to Prague on an invitation from the Oriental Institute to learn chess and translate the writings in that language into Hindi. He furnished he finished the course in 1961 and 62 and participated in the lectures on chess literature at Charles University. He travelled extensively in the two Europes of the times and also went to England. He returned to India in 1972. He became a fellow of the Indian Institute of Advanced Study in Shimla and worked on the theme of mythic consciousness in literature. His story Maya Darpan Magic Mirror was made into a film in 1970. It was judged the best film of the year. In 1959, he won the Sahitya Academy Award for his collection of stories Kauve aur Kala Pani. In 2000, he won the Gyanpith Award for his lifetime contribution to Indian literature. यहाँ हमने निर्मल वर्मा के बारे में बात की. अभी मैं ना आपको इसके हेडमास्टर के कुछ बर्ड्स के कुछ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स बताऊंगी जो कि इम्पोर्टेंट है. 7 क्वेश्चंस मैंने लिखे हैं यहाँ पे. फर्स्ट इज़ द पार्ट दैट मेमोरी प्लेज इन बर्ड्स, मतलब मेमोरी के बारे में हमने बताना है. फिर करेक्टर ऑफ लतिका. थर्ड इज़ कमेंट ऑन द टाइटल के बारे में. Fourth, discuss the use of images of light and sound in the story. Fifth, significance of music. Sixth, context and setting in birds. Seventh is the importance of Herbert and Mukherjee. Okay, thank you so much.